So guys, A, for letter A, we're getting apple. Yes! Yo! Guys, that's what we're doing. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel, guys. And today is Saturday afternoon and we decided to come to High Point Shopping Centre, guys. That's where we are right now. And today, as always, I'm with my beautiful sister, Mimi. So yeah, today we're doing a challenge. And what's the name of the challenge today? Buying everything in alphabetical order. Yes, that's right, guys. I know that we're actually late in doing this challenge, guys. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube doing it. And, you know, it's better late than never, guys, right? So that's why we're doing it today. And yeah, come with us. It's gonna be fun. Let's do this. So guys, obviously the first letter is A, so we want it big, guys. We want to open this video like, you know, a big one. So guys, I can't believe that I am actually doing it right now. I don't want to say that I am making it as an excuse, you know, doing this challenge so I can get this thing, but you know what I mean. It's well, I'll take you in with me, guys, and you know, you see what I'm talking about. For letter A, this is what I'm getting, guys. Come on. So guys, A, for letter A, we're getting apple. Yes! Yo! Guys, that's what we're doing. Guys, iPhone 11 or which one, Mac?
This one. Or Mac.
This is the biggest. Anyways, I seriously have a decision to make, guys. So it's among the three. I don't know which one. So guys, I made a decision. So I told you for letter A, we're gonna have apple. So I'm gonna show you what I have, guys. I got it in color red. Because I thought it's just, yeah, it's beautiful, guys. Color
For a
red.
change?
So yeah, for a change, because I've had, you know, white and gold before. So guys, I've got Apple 11, iPhone 11 Max in red. Guys, so expensive, guys. There it goes. So I'll just stick to this.
$99 per kilo.
So I'll just stick to this apple for now, guys, because unfortunately I'm broke. So yeah, let's just stick with the apple. So guys, letter B is now sorted. We've got bubbles. Yes, B for bubbles for the baby.
Yay.
Do you like it?
Nice.
So B for bubbles, guys. Guys, letter C. What we got for letter C? Candle. We got candle. Pink candle, guys. Okay, this is really a good start, guys. Come on. Guys, so for our fourth letter, which is letter D, we've got diffuser. Yeah, guys, have a look what we got. It's diffuser, guys. It smells so good. We can use it at home for sure. So guys, for letter E, we've got eyebrow pencil. Yay! Come on, let's go. So guys, here we are again for letter F. So for F, we found flower. So yeah, guys, that's nice. It's nice. We can put it somewhere. at
Flower
home.
is dancing.
Yeah, dancing flower actually. So yeah, okay. Let's move. Guys, kapoy na guys. So we are now letter G. So show what we have for letter G. Whoop, whoop. There you go.
There you go. Gillette.
Yeah, we've got Gillette, guys, for, you know, ahit ilok, guys, something like that. So, guys, for letter H, we've got
Hand sanitizer.
yes, we've got hand sanitizer, guys. So, H is now done. Let's move on, guys. Yep. So, we're letter I now, guys, and we're gonna show you what we have for letter I. Explain what you have, madam.
I don't know. It's incense.
So it's incense, guys. So kana dagong pahumot sa balay, guys, kaya dagkutan ba nga mahumot. So that's incense, guys, for our letter I. Okay, guys. Seriously. We are we are doing well, guys. We're doing well. Letter J. Go show. What is it?
Jersey caramel.
So it's Jersey caramel for letter J, guys, because that's all we can find. So guys, for our letter K, we've got you guys, we've got keyring, guys, for a letter K.
Panghatag sa Pinas.
Yeah. Basta lubong, guys. So guys, we're down to letter L, and for letter L, guys, we're having a liquid lipstick. And this is from Stila, guys, because I've been wanting to get one, so it's the perfect timing. Lipstick. Guys, for letter M, we've got... Show what we got for letter M, honey. No? She's loving it now. We are having some milk tea. Milk tea. So that's for letter M, guys. Yeah, Paris loving it. Guys, finally, letter N. We've got
Nail cutter.
Yeah, we've got nail cutter for our letter N, guys. Oh my god. Seriously, this is stressing me. It's so hard to find them, guys. But yeah, that's it, guys. N for nail cutter. So guys, we're doing really well here, guys. So for letter O, we've got onesie. Yeah, guys, we've got onesie for Paris.
Again for Paris.
Yeah, again for Paris. But yeah, you know, guys, it's not easy. Like, I thought it would be really easy, guys, but it's not. It's really hard to do it. So yeah, let's keep moving, guys. Guys, we're down to letter P, guys. Ingot na kayo, guys, oh. No. For letter P, guys, we've got
Pen.
pen. Yes, guys. We got pink pen, so that's double P. So yeah. Alright, next letter. So yeah, guys, we are doing so great in this challenge, guys. So now we have letter Q and R. So first Q. So for letter Q, guys, we've got Gilton. Yes, guys, we've got cotton tissue paper, guys. And for R, we've got Reflect. Sabon panlaba is real, guys, because, you know, we're doing this challenge, but at the same time, we have to be really responsible and not just spending money, right, for nothing. So that's right, guys, necessities it is. But yeah, let's keep moving. Guys, disod na kayo mga tawag S, guys. Uy, ayun na lang mga S, guys. Pagbigyan na nila, guys. S for Sprite.
What a budget, guys.
So guys, For letter T, we've got t-shirt. T-shirt. You guys, we've got it for Paris. It says Dada's baby bear. How cute is that one? And yeah, so T for t-shirt. So guys, for our next letter, we're down to letter U. Guys, it's not very easy to find letter U, guys, because I know this umbrella. Yeah, that's the first thing that comes into our head when we're talking about letter U. But yeah, in this case, guys, you want to be like a bit different, right? So for letter U, we've got
Unicorn mug.
yeah, guys, we've got unicorn mug. So acceptable naman siya, guys, no?
Yun naman
So,
unicorn.
letter U naman unicorn.
Yes, ma'am.
So like, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It's fine. So that's it, guys, for a letter U, unicorn mug. Let's get moving. We're nearly there, guys. That's M-I-N. Space first, and now space. It's out. No? Yeah. Thank you. What's your name? Mariana. Mariana, and you? Yeah. Bye. Okay, guys. Guys, mahiyap mo na ako, guys. Guys, nauulaw ako, guys. Hindi ko to, guys. Yes, guys, eh. Tigid, makakita ko sa mga tao, guys, daw, camera. Like, what's your YouTube channel? Hey, bomba. Bomba, guys. I still can't believe it. Guys, letter V. Okay, show what we got for letter V. Vanish gold. Yes, guys, that's for panglaba, guys. Okay.
This is what we need.
This is what we need. Yes, we're definitely buying what we need, guys. So yeah, that's for letter V. Guys. We're nearly there. Let me get more on. So guys, we're down to letter W now. And what's for letter W, my love?
Be practical, guys. Why?
Yeah, hang on. Sorry.
We have
Wipes.
for
Yes.
Paris Lubut.
So guys, we've been walking around like seriously looking for X. Guys, dili gyud lagi pangitaon ng X, guys. Kay nawa, guys, disot kay pangitaon ng X. We decided, guys, for our letter X, we got
X mystery.
So you might be wondering why it's X, guys, because you know people actually call it, you know, Christmas as Xmas. So you know, I think that's very smart of us to actually think of this. This is the only thing that we can actually think of. So this is our X Christmas tree, Xmas tree. So yeah, go and move on to what now? Y and Z. So just two more, guys, two more. So guys, second to the last letter, guys, letter Y. We've got, for Y, we've got yarn. Yes, guys, we've got yarn for letter Y. So yeah, cool. So down to the last letter, guys, letter Z or Z if you're in Australia. So yeah, let's move on. So guys, for the last letter Z, we are going to Zara, guys. Come on, let's go before the Zara.
Before sila mag-Zara, guys, masulod sa tag-Zara.
Sylvia, to the security counter, please. Thank you, Sylvia.
Yes.
How much latte?
So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you had fun, because like seriously, I know it was very stressful, guys, because I thought it's gonna be easy, but obviously it wasn't. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it, because we enjoyed it. And yeah, please hit that like button, guys, so you know, share some love. And
Don't forget to subscribe.
yeah, don't forget to subscribe, because we love you all on board. And also, guys, for the 2 girls that we met before, thank you so much for, you know, actually snapping me and asking for my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. You know, I know that you subscribe. It's amazing. I felt so grateful about that. Thank you girls. I hope to see you all again next, you know, like next time here at High Point Shopping Centre. And yeah, so what else? That's about it, guys. I think I can't believe that we actually did it, guys. It's hard. It's a hard work, wasn't it?
Yeah. Kapoy kayo, guys.
Yeah. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Be careful.
bye.